LKG Orchid. I saw her milk in school. As you know, it's lockdown and we are feeling so bored. So, why not we try some science experiment at home? Experiment number 1, solubility test. We need 2 glasses of water, little bit of salt and oil. Now we are going to put little salt in the water. Cool. You can see it's now we need to mix. You can see it's getting dissolved. Now I'll use oil. And you can see this is not dissolved because the water is down and oil is up. As you can see, salt and water are soluble and oil and water insoluble. Let's start our experiment number 2. Density test. And now we need 3 glasses of water, lemon, bottle cap, and a nail. Now we drop a lemon inside the water. Wow, it sinks! Now let's check the bottle cap. It floats. It also sinks. This has more density than water. This has less density than water. This has more density than water. Our experiment number 2. Let's start our experiment number 3. Of carbon dioxide gas. Only 2 ingredients. One is baking soda and vinegar. Put into baking soda. You'll see R because of our carbon dioxide. This ends our experiment number 3.